you are watching my YouTube channel. Hope so doing well. आज रात को एक्सप्लोर करने के हवाले से फिर एक नई एपिसोड लेकर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हुए हैं। आज यहाँ पर एक्सपो स्टार्ट होगा रियाद फ्रंट में इसे सीन के जो सऊदी लाइटिंग के नाम से वैसे इसको जाना जाता है, सऊदी लाइटिंग एंड एंटरटेनमेंट। सो आज लास्ट डे है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली पहले 2 दिन नहीं आ सका। अगर पहले आता तो आप उसे ज़रूर शेयर करता। आपके लिए हमने कैप्चर कर लिया है, इंशाल्लाह आपको ट्राई करेंगे। थैंक यू।
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
My friend's name is Farad.
What you are doing?
Farad. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
SEA.
Thank you so much for your. How are you? Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
Even?
And thank you. And you are welcome to Riyadh. Huh?
Thanks. We are in the basics in Riyadh for years.
Oh, welcome. So could you explain a little bit about your project?
Okay. We can create any event for you guys. We can create idea and we can provide the best artists.
Okay. Yeah.
And we can create amazing product for you.
Thank you so much. Bye. Hello, brother. How are you?
Yes, hi.
Welcome to Riyadh.
Thank you.
Can you explain about your project?
So we are mineral water industry. We are an Australia company. We do manufacturing filtration system for swimming pool, water park, everything. We have for small farm, filtration, fiberglass and everything. For
Okay.
cleaning water for swimming pool.
Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you. Welcome.
Hello, brother. Welcome to Riyadh.
Oh, thank you.
What is your specialty?
Our specialty is museum services. So
Okay.
we do a lot of technical museum services. We do mounting of large objects like this.
Okay.
And what I mean when I say that is we're doing the metal armatures that support real objects. So this is a real blue whale skeleton, and we're suspending that. So we're in charge of the engineering,
Okay.
creating the support, and then installation of the object. And
That's
we're also
perfect.
doing object replication, so we're doing recreations.
Very nice. Thank you so much for your time. Hello ma'am, welcome to Riyadh.
We are from China.
What is your specialty for your project? What is the specialty of your project?
We do the dancing fountain. We have provide many projects in Saudi Arabia, like
Okay.
Baliwa City, like Uber, Jizan, Abha. We all have projects there. If you are interested, you just contact us or Imam Show Fountain. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, welcome to Riyadh. And what is the specialty of your project?
Sorry?
What about your? Can you explain about your project?
All projects.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're inflatables.
Okay.
Chinese factory who are doing inflatables, and
Okay.
soft playground.
Okay.
Yes, all our products are customized.
Oh, customized. Wow.
Customized. They also do like soft
Oh,
playground. And
you have a lot of the
some
projects.
toys.
Okay.
Tennis. And water slide.
Okay.
And water park.
What
Water
amazing.
park, yeah, customized according to your space.
Okay.
Customized,
Customized.
yeah, customized. And the obstacle, yeah.
Okay.
This
Thank
one is very huge. It's more than 1,000 square meters.
Okay. Okay.
Huge example.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Riyadh.
Thank you.
So can you explain about your project?
Yeah.
What is the specialty of your project? Yeah, and
Artificial plants. We are make our factory make the artificial plants.
artificial plant. Okay.
Yeah, more than 20 years.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we
Very
work
nice.
with Disneyland, Universal Studio, Abu Dhabi Secret. Yeah, and
Okay.
many big projects. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. My name is Paul and you are watching the Hope you're doing well. I got CEA Expo है, Saudi lighting, entertainment, hangings और समझ इसको एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए आए हुए हैं और यहाँ बहुत खूबसूरत चीज़ें हैं. You have to come wonder. Thank you. We are here with the famous boxer. You can thank you. My name is Afar and you are watching my YouTube channel. Hope so doing well. आज रात को एक्सप्लोर करने के हवाले से फिर एक नई एपिसोड लेकर आपकी दुकान में है. यहाँ पर एक्सपो स्टार्ट हुआ है रियाद फ्रंट में. इसे CEA जो सऊदी लाइटिंग के नाम से वैसे इसको जाना जाता है, सऊदी लाइटिंग एंड एंटरटेनमेंट. सो आज लास्ट डे है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली पहले 2 दिन नहीं आ सका. अगर पहले आता तो आप उसे ज़रूर से करता. आपके लिए हमने कैप्चर कर लिया है. इंशाल्लाह
Aqua Arabia. There's so much we should all be proud of being in this region and we should all enjoy. So take advantage of it. There's incredible projects coming out.
And I think for us, we're moving towards that as well. We're moving the water park into the aquarium because we are aquarium-based operations. So the first one, our water park will not be a water park and it will not be aquarium either. It will be hybrid. Something Chinese really good in doing it, create something from nothing, you know. So we're going to wait until we are ready to announce it, and then I think it will be another experience.
Thank you. Well, I just want to say thank you to all of you. It's been a really great and inspiring session. The other thing I would say is take note of what Mike said. You know, we don't have to look 10 years down the line. Let's just relax, enjoy what we've created, get it going really well, have it successful, and then start thinking of the next biggest idea. So, my little words of advice. But anyway, thank you very much to all of our panelists, the audience. We hope you enjoyed this.
Thank you.
Mr. Scott.
لك بالمتناول يعني بعرف انه هي
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
And welcome to Riyadh. Now, what is the specialty of your project here in Riyadh?
So we manufacture screens and lighting in the UK, and
Okay.
this is our 2.6 mil film.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. welcome to Riyadh.
Thank you very
What's
much.
your good name?
My name's Peter.
Welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you explain about your project?
Yes, so we produce live shows. We have our own IPs like the Chinese State Circus. We do family productions, and we work with artists all from all over the world. We try and integrate as much as possible. So when we do things like a horse show, we welcome local people who have falconry experience, and we use Arab riders to work with the Arabian horses.
Interesting. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good evening. Hello, how are you? How are you? Fine? Welcome to Riyadh.
Yes, I come from China and we are a factory. Our factory is more than 30 years, so if you need something, you can join me. And our factory can manage for you for everything.
Thank you so much. Very nice. Hello.
Hello.
What's your good name?
I'm Kitty.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Where are
too.
you from?
I'm from China.
China. And what is your project here in Riyadh? What is the specialty of your project?
We have the VR game and the music game.
Okay.
We have factory in China.
In China?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Hello, how are you? Hello, good evening.
Hi.
Can you explain about a small interview for your project? Can you explain it?
When are you gonna put it?
On the YouTube.
On the YouTube?
We have a channel. Yes.
What's the name of the channel?
Okay.
Like we would like to see it before. YouTube kanalları varmış, oraya koymak
Yeah,
istiyorlarmış.
sure.
Ama bir bakalım.
Yes.
O yüzden bir bakayım dedim neresi.
Can I type?
Tam gitti zaten Ömer Bey. Gittiler, görüştüler.
Why not coming? Oh, sorry.
Bunlar atıyor. Şey teknoloji çekmişsin. Aynen. There's a mirror. Zaten yemek almayı Selçuk falan nerede? Okay, thank you.
I will show you. Yeah. I don't know why.
Actually, we can't right now because we don't have the manager, so...
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening. Welcome to Riyadh. Thank you.
name is Peter. I am from France, Slovakia.
Nice to
And we
meet you.
produce the lasers and doing the multimedia shows.
Okay.
All around the world.
Thank you sir. Hello, welcome to Riyadh. Hello. You have to come on Riyadh. Thank you. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Good evening. You are eating? No, thank you. Can you explain about your project here?
Sorry?
Can I get you a small interview regarding your project?
Introduce our
Yeah,
product.
introduce you. Wait.
Just a moment.
Okay. Anyone, no problem. So you will be okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to Riyadh.
Welcome.
Can you explain about your project?
Yes. Welcome to RTBS.
Okay.
This is SLS exhibition, and this time we present our latest COP product. You can look around.
Yeah, it's recording.
On the screen, so maybe you can shoot the screen this way. It's a 3D content. We provide a perfect high contrast and a high brightness screen. Can give a very big impact.
Okay, so thank you. Thank you. Good evening.
My name is Sophie from Ningbo West South.
Okay.
Our factory has 20 years history and make the design and the production of our products are very professional to all over the world. We attend the USA show, Spanish ISE show, Hong Kong show, Guangzhou show, and this is the first time for us to come this show. We want to expand the Middle East market for our products. So I hope it's a good chance for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Welcome to Riyadh.
Welcome to Kodak.
Where are you from?
We are from China.
Ah, China.
We are developer and manufacturer
the
audio product based on the Kodak brand. Of very high quality. In our factory already 28 years. We are strong in the R&D and manufacture.
Wow, very nice.
Our product export to over 60 countries.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Welcome to Riyadh.
Yeah, welcome from China, and this is our company.
Okay.
Okay, we company is from the LED wash.
Oh, LED.
Yes,
Yeah.
and the strobe bar.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you. Hello. कोशिश कर रहे हैं एक्सप्लोर करने की। आज इतना ज़्यादा रश तो नहीं है, अगर उसको एनालिसिस करें जो पिछले साल या उससे पिछले साल हुआ था तो उसके मुताबिक रश नहीं है, लेकिन माशाल्लाह पहले से ज़्यादा कंपनी ने अपने स्टॉल लगाए हुए हैं और यहाँ पर लाइटिंग तो यार क्या नेवर बहुत ज़बरदस्त लाइट है। How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Welcome to Riyadh.
Great pleasure to be here.
Can you explain about your project here?
We're a Swiss company. We're doing virtual reality products for amusement, event companies, anything to do with the leisure and entertainment space, and also some more simple games like catch-a-light type products. So we've come here to present them. I find the show very positive, lots of fantastic welcome, people very kind, very interested. So a very good show.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Activate your controller.
Hello. How are you? Bye. Thank you. Hello. How are you? Again. Yes. Wow. Thank you. Yeah, no. Wow.
This is slow motion.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
goodness, very nice. Thank you.
I gave him my own cards and he still made my mind. No, I'm not giving you.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from China.
Ah, and what is the specialty of your project?
What's this one?
Yeah.
Bag.
Ah.
Move bag.
Oh, well,
Backpack.
with the
LCD.
with
Yeah.
the LCD.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice with the battery, huh?
Thank you.
It's perfect. Thank you. Hello. Hello, sir. Can I get water? Thank you.